Hi, please don't skip. Pause a bit because I have a free package for you by the end of this video. And this package has also helped me clock several financial figures. So please watch till the end and share. Compliments of the season. Joy is loud, but financial stress is silent. Wise people celebrate today while they protect tomorrow. Every year, people enjoy December freely, then struggle quietly in January. During Christmas and New Year celebrations, expenses multiply for food, clothing, gifts, travels, but January still comes with rent, school fees, bills, and other responsibilities. But here is what you should do as somebody who wants to be stable financially without pressure. Spend within your means. Don't borrow to celebrate. Don't empty your savings just for one day happiness. Now, before you go, here is the free package. But before then, hit the follow or subscribe button, like and share and engage with my content. I will be offering an intense teaching on a rare financial formula called the 30-33 financial formula. This formula is a formula that the rich has been using, but the poor is not aware of this.
But I'm here to help you get rid of financial lack. So therefore, hit the follow or subscribe button, engage with my content, and stay tuned till January 3rd, where I will be unleashing the 30-33 financial principles. Thank you. Compliments.